Now that I already have the Unisat account funded, I'm going to go to brc20, brc-20.io, so that I can inscribe a NFT here and in here. And there's different ways that we can do. So let's talk about that. So there are several ways of inscribing a brc20. Okay, some people will use here, and then we'll go click here and do it this way. I'm going to go here to brc20 and see what is it that I'm going to inscribe, right? And then decide. Okay, and it's, let me see, there's a lot of different things that these are the ordinals and collections that are in the ordinals website, and how much they cost, because, you know, again, this is a new thing. So what do I want to do? This 8,500. Let me find the memes. So memes, 1 per mint. So this is how the memes look. Okay, so since it seems like the ordinals is already, all these ones are 100% done. So we need to go back then to sats, I guess. Sats. Let me go back here. So I'm going to mint. You have to mint something that is not 100%. I'm going to mint some sats. And then when you go here, you're going to click mint directly. Okay. So once we choose that, we're going to click mint sats. I'm going to mint 24. This is the majority of you can, because right now the Bitcoin blockchain is congested because of this. And then I'm going to go in next. We're going to go next. Be sure you connect this. So I'm going to connect and add my password. Oh, that's not it. Sorry, guys. Then I'm putting my password, and I put the wrong password. Then put the password, unlock. Oh, here we go again. Okay, I'm unlocked now. And so we're gonna now choose the network fee we want to pay: economy, normal, or custom. Right now in mempool, it says that anything 79 or less is medium or low priority. So I'm just gonna go with custom. So depending on what you put here is how much you're gonna pay. I know that 12 is no priority, but I'm going to go cheap. And if I have to wait, I'll wait. If you're in a hurry, then go with the highest priority, which will be 114. It will phone run it, but it will be very, very expensive. Let me show you the difference between me choosing 12 or choosing 100, what? 114. 12 is 31 bucks. 114 is $159. So I'm going to go cheap. It's going to go 12. And I'm going to go and submit and pay the invoice. Okay, maybe no, because it's too slow. Let's do normal. 81 bucks. economy, $71. Ordi, economy, normal. Let me see if I can do ordi. Because I'm trying to just, I don't have that much money here. I should have put more money here. Just put 25, $47. Okay, submit and pay invoice. Oh, the problem is if you don't use what you're going to use and it gets 100%, then you lose your money. So don't go economy or custom, go normal. And I'm going to have to put some more money here, guys. I'm sorry. Sorry, guys, I had to put more money. So I actually send more money. Now I have enough. So I'm going to go here and submit and pay. I chose normal. Let me go back here. That's weird. Okay, let me go back. I don't know if I can go back. Unless that I actually got full before I tried to mint it. I mean to inscribe it, because here it's called inscribing, not minting. Marketplace, brc20. So there's also stat names, which is like ENS names. Well, let's go here. Actually, I prefer minting from here. It's just not doing what I wanted to do. Give me a second. Okay, so now we still have sats. So I'm going to inscribe. I'm going to click sats. I'm going to mint directly. I'm going to do what I told you guys before. Mint directly. Next, and then go with 54. No, 49. Oh my God, it went up, guys. Pardon me. Oh, this is ridiculous. Okay, let me see something else. Maybe that's why people are not doing those. I don't know. Doge, hams, USDT. Let me check. Doge. Make directly. Amount. Next. Yeah. So when you're doing this, guys, I'm gonna have to do less because it's too much. I'm just gonna make maybe 50 of them, or 30. Okay, 30. Next. Okay, that's a little bit better. 96. And how much money did I say that I have? Okay, so I'm gonna just do that. Submit. Pay with Unisat wallet. See, they don't have enough balance. I don't have balance enough. So let me close. Doesn't want to go back. Sorry, guys. I'm just gonna go economy. If it goes through, let it go through. Sorry, guys. Just because. Let's hope that the inscription it will be, and this is how you do a token. Okay, and a BRC20 token in part. So guys, I want to tell you, be sure that whenever you're inscribing, aka minting, in the Bitcoin network, that the fees are not high, because everybody's is inscribing right now and the fees are high and it doesn't go through. You might lose your money. So it will be better if you do this in the middle of the night when nobody is doing anything. So I'm just going to tell you so you know. And basically that's the way that you inscribe a BRC20. You can actually check once the everything is done here by putting the transaction of the number of the transaction from here, and then put it in the mempool. And it's saying difficult this is, you know, the priority on how much people are paying and stuff. So when you do the one that is basically economy or whatever, it's going to take more than if you pay all the money that you want. So be sure that you have the money and that you have the time. If you go really with a cheap and that pool gets full, then you lost your money. Okay, thank you. Follow and subscribe.